have you ever played Youno?
Uno.
Youno.
It's Uno.
Okay. Youno.
Uno.
Youno.
No.
Ooh. Youno.
Captain Starlight is from outer space, so he's getting Earth kids to explain it to them.
How does the game of Uno work?
You stack cards one at a time, but we take turns all in a circle.
Okay, so this one is get out of the game. You're never allowed to play the game ever again.
That's a very mean way of saying it, but basically the person after you would skip their turn.
This one is you have to dance the hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Very playful way, but no. That means that it goes the other way in the circle.
So technically I was right.
Sure, yeah.
Okay, great. Now this one, I've heard that this is called a draw 4. So is this where you have to draw 4 dwarves going on a hike through the wilderness to collect jewels like the 7 dwarves?
Very creative, but no. When you place it down, the person after you adds 4 cards to the little collection, and then you would need to change the color, like any one of these colors.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Doesn't make much sense to me. So if I were to get that card, I would pick up the cards, so I would have the more cards, so I would win?
No, whoever has no more cards left wins.
How do you get rid of cards, though?
You put it down onto the thing, the tower thing.
Can we actually play a game of Youno?
It's Uno, but yes, sure.
Thank you.
It's the wrong way around. Flip it around. What? I can see your cards. Flip it around.
Too.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No. The coloured side. No.
Uno. I said Uno.
Captain Starlight is from outer space, so he's getting Earth kids to explain it to them.
Youno.
It's Uno.
Okay.